If you have purchased a V4 Corne keyboard and are having connection problems with it, such it as suddenly disconnected and you need to reconnect the cables to get it working again, this video is for you. I was having this problem and I looked for a solution on Reddit and on internet. I ended up finding this thread on GitHub explaining the problem. It is some kind of interference with the cell phone signal, and I tested it here. And really, with the cell phone far away or in airplane mode, the problems went away. But it doesn't directly solve the problem. So, seeing on GitHub, I followed the solution of making a Faraday cage like and started the process. I bought a copper table to shield musical equipment such as guitar or basses in order to isolate the entire case from the inside and eliminate all the interference. Right after finishing on site and it was difficult, I tested it and it had already improved. It is connected less often, so the next day I started on the other side and it was so much easier because I had already learned how to do it. After finishing, it worked perfectly. The problems are gone. With a few dollars, I solved the problem perfectly. And that is it. I wanted to share this because there isn't much about on the internet. I hope you like it and that I helped you with something. Leave your feedback, subscribe to this channel, give me your like, and I will see you the next time. Goodbye.